Did you know there's a gas so rare and strange that it literally means stranger in Greek? Meet Xenon, the ultimate antisocial element that refuses to react with anything. While helium makes your voice squeaky, Xenon does the exact opposite, making you sound like Darth Vader. This noble gas is so heavy it actually pools in low areas like invisible pudding. Xenon is incredibly rare because it's only created when massive stars die and undergo nuclear fission. This makes it worth more than gold. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. We use this precious gas to power spacecraft to distant planets with xenon ion drives. Even weirder, doctors use it as an anesthetic that literally puts your brain cells to sleep. Scientists also pump it into underground detectors hoping to catch dark matter particles. But there's a problem. We're running out of xenon, creating a shortage crisis that could threaten future space exploration. This stranger gas that hides from chemical reactions might soon be hiding from us completely.